I need to get my stuff.
Yeah, we'll get your stuff in a minute.
I need to get my stuff. Get out of my face.
I'm not going anywhere.
Get the out of my face.
Pull your fist up. Come here, bro.
A single flight, 1 passenger removed, 3 criminal charges. But were those charges legally sound? And when exactly does speech, protected by the First Amendment, become a criminal act? The answers reveal a legal framework that both officers and citizens need to understand.
Is he fighting or no?
No, he tried to fight me when I was trying to.
He's not fighting. Is this him?
That's him. He's been very unruly.
Yes, sir. Can you just step off so we can talk? Yep. Is that him? Who is it?
Right here.
Come on over here, man.
I need to get my stuff.
Yeah, we'll get your stuff in a minute.
I need to get my stuff.
Let's talk about it real quick.
Yeah, I need to get my stuff.
I get that. Let's talk about it and maybe you can still fly.
Talk about what?
I need to figure out. I just got here.
I already was talking to them.
So let's just talk about it.
They're saying that there's no way. Like, I already told them. I went and...
Okay.
I'm just trying to... And I don't want to wait another 5 hours in there.
I get it, but we got to talk about it, bro.
No, you do. I know your police tactics. I deal with police before. I've been arrested.
Cool. That's cool.
You're just
so
trying to get me off the plane.
I don't want to arrest you right now. You still got to get off the plane, though.
Arrest me for what? What
trespassing
crime?
on the plane.
What crime have I committed?
That's it. They don't want you here. They just want you to leave.
Yeah, bro.
Okay, cool. Hey, can we get airside? He's refusing to get off the plane.
Do you want to go down?
We're just going to get your stuff, bro. Can you get your stuff?
Come on, bro. Let's go.
You already know what time it is, bro. Unball your fist.
That's not a crime. That's not a
You're
crime.
right.
That's not
But it is a threat. That's it. They're getting your stuff now.
Why are you throwing my property?
They're shoes, bro. Right now, I just asked you to get off me. We could get that stuff nicely. You're not doing it, so I'm not playing nice anymore. That's all you got to do.
I'm not worried, bro.
That's cool. Right now, they don't want you on the plane. That's it.
I can move along so I can do it.
Oh, now you want to get off. Thank you. He's off the plane. I'm trying to get his stuff.
Where's the big guy?
He's in the corner. Where's his stuff at?
That was his boots. That's apparently all he had.
Just the boots?
Yeah, just the boots, I guess.
Look, you guys got weapons, bro. I swear, bro. Oh, I have my luggage, bro.
Where's your luggage at?
I don't know where.
Did you check it in?
Yes, I did.
Okay, it'll be at your destination.
Is it on the plane or did you?
You guys are lucky you guys have weapons, bro.
Walk on up. Hold on. Let's get airside. All you gotta do is walk up.
Let the go. Let's go. But without that weapon and badges, bro, that's isolating. You guys get beat the up, bro. Guaranteed. You guys police. You guys ain't shit, bro. You guys are pussies, bro. You guys need weapons, bro. What?
I said keep walking.
What are you gonna do? You're lucky you need weapons and a bunch of people.
Just walk towards the gate.
Nah, shut the f up, bro. You guys are,
Alright, sir. The children
it's a freedom. I can say whatever the I want. I ain't saying no
Where's
Where's the victim?
You're a you need weapons. Take off the badges. Let's go somewhere right now. Me and you. Yeah, exactly. Punk ass Asian.
Well, that's not a racist, sir. There's no need for that.
I'll give
Okay. My ethnicity doesn't have anything to do with it.
Russell hair.
At least I got a half decent haircut, my friend.
You got hair?
I don't want your
Hey, in World War II, they dental flossed you guys. They blindfolded you guys with dental floss on.
That's going to warn for the term.
Yeah.
That way, bro.
Right there.
Right here, dog. I'm telling you this.
Where's my fucking play?
Let him sit. You want to sit here? No
What?
problem.
Where's my flight?
Give him a route out.
That's the way out right there, the train, right?
For where?
Exit to get out of the
Just
airport
point
right
it to
now.
you right there.
You're not going to the flight right now. You understand that, right?
I'm not going to
That way is
flight.
your way out.
Where's
You're out.
That way on the
where's my
tram.
new flight? They said they
Your
would give me
flight's
a new
not
flight.
coming, sir. You've been denied boarding. Okay?
You have to find a new carrier, right?
So your flight is on the way out, and you have to book another one, whatever airline's going to happen. Or you can go with, what was that, Spirit? You can go to Spirit counter. But you're not flying on that
And
flight.
where's my money?
That's not our problem, sir. Our problem is you acting disorderly. On the flight and off the flight. Your exit's on that tram. You have an exit way.
Pussy, bro. You know that? You're a bitch, alright? Pussy, you need a weapon, but without all that shit, bro, you ain't nothing but a bitch, alright?
Okay, sir.
Ling ling, you pussy ass.
Keep walking, sir.
And you guys get off my nutsack, you guys want to want.
Not on your nutsack, sir. Please keep walking.
Why are you pushing
Please
me?
keep walking, sir.
Why are you pushing me?
Please keep walking.
Why are you pushing me?
No, keep
Leave your
walking. That way.
hands off of me.
My hand's not on you. Keep walking.
Is your body cam on?
Absolutely.
You're touching me.
It's okay.
No, you can't.
Keep walking,
You
sir.
can't touch me. You
Please
don't have
keep
a right to touch me.
Keep walking,
Touch
sir.
me again.
Keep walking,
Touch
sir.
me again, exactly, because
Keep
you know you
walking,
can't f***ing touch me.
Keep walking, sir.
You get the out of my face and
Keep
I
walking,
will.
sir. You're
Back the
right
up.
there.
Get away from me. Get away
Put
from
your
me.
hands down.
Get the away from me.
Exit. He needs an exit.
I will
That way.
exit, bro.
Walk.
Nah. Don't yell in my face.
All you gotta do is walk.
You're gonna hit me, tough guy.
I don't need to hit you.
Hit me, tough guy.
I don't need to hit you.
Exactly.
Walk that way.
I will when you back up.
I don't need to
Get
back
out
up.
of my
My
face.
job.
Then I don't need to walk.
Please leave. Please leave. Your exit's right there.
Right? You're not hard, bro. I'm not hard. Get the out of my face.
It's my airport, bro.
Get the out of my face.
Please keep
You want
walking.
to book a flight, you go that way.
Get out of my face.
You want to go to jail, hang out here. So you can
Where's
sit
airside?
Get out of my face.
straight. I'm not going anywhere.
Get the out of my face. I ain't going anywhere, bro. Get the out
We're
of my
between trams.
face.
Don't pull your fist up! Do not pull your fist up! I saw that! Heard that? Do not pull your fist up! Andy, where are you guys at? Hold! Yeah. Which way you going? Which way you want to go? Get this arm over here! Get your hand down!
I got covered.
Hands behind your back!
All right, yes, sir.
Do it now!
Give us your hands.
Yes, sir.
I got one.
Yes, sir.
All right, ready for got a sneaky?
Oh, the other way.
That's
No, that's me. That's me. That's
Andy.
me.
That's Andy.
That's me.
Bring him down. Bring him down.
I believe you said he's at the tram now.
Go ahead and pull back, Andy. Go ahead and pull your arm out. Okay.
192 from Bodycam. Can you confirm your location?
Good.
Sit up.
On the airside.
I told you not to ball your fist up.
Anything in socks?
No.
Anything in socks? No. You sure? Let me see.
You're on the waist.
Anything in this sock here? Are you sure, sir? Yes, sir. Let me double check. Yes, nothing in your
You're on
shoes.
the waist.
When this officer was talking to you, you had your right hip fist balled up. That's what you're going to jail for. Sir, I might need a new radio.
Oh, okay. Good, taken care of.
How hard it is to get a short stem?
What's...
We were shitty time.
Of course.
We were coming down. We were at the gate. Active call, right? Fight in progress. I get down there. I'm like, there's this really big guy in front of me. So I tap on his shoulder. Hey, sir, you want to step off? He's like, no, it's not him. It's him. I'm like, okay, cool, sir. Step off and talk to me. No, not without my stuff. He only had a set of the brown boots. Finally get the brown boots, chuck him off the plane. I see his fist all up around the ticket. I'm like, hey man, don't do that. Finally gets off. He's talking shit all the way back to here. And then we're like, hey, keep moving. I was like, hey, keep moving. Guy didn't touch, hey, keep going. Once he comes down here, he's like, get off my nuts and I'll move. I was like, get moving, here, don't yell at me. Okay, and Pete Lennekamp comes over and starts talking to him. I see his hand come up like this. I'm like, oh.
I'll kick your ass.
Next train will be on this side. That's the very end.
So are there charges like back at the gate, or?
I didn't even get to that.
Okay.
You guys good with me if I go check on that?
Yeah, I got it.
I'll go find a spot for Sergeant Jewel to get in.
Did anything happen on the flight with that gentleman?
No, negative. Apparently, as the flight attendants called me down, because I'm the station supervisor,
right.
I went to see what he was doing. So apparently, inside the aircraft, he was, I guess somebody sitting next to him or something, and he didn't want it, him that close. So he started going like he was doing when you guys got here. So then
he's hitting his fist into his open palm like this? Okay.
Threatening, very threatful. And then he said, I got to go to the bathroom. And he came from his seat all the way to the first class bathroom, went in there, and that's when I arrived to the scene.
Right.
The flight attendant was debriefing me about where his... Jose, I'll call you back. I'm in an issue. I got to call you back.
Hey, yeah, I copy. I'm going to be down at the gates. Give me a second, Sarge.
So when I went over there, the flight attendant said that she was being nasty to them, cursing at them.
AC, can you get her in?
He was cursing at the passengers as he was walking by and disrespecting the flight attendants.
Right.
So then he went into the bathroom. When he came back, I arrived at the scene.
Right.
She was telling me what was going on, and I said, well, if it's that issue, because we have to decline it. We want him out of the aircraft.
Right.
So when he stepped out of the bathroom, I approached him right there, and I said, can I see your boarding pass? And then he's like, what you want my boarding pass for, bro? I get out of my
16182. You're in at 29 p.m.
Stood there, I said, I just need your boarding pass. Then he handed over to me. When I'm going to look at his name and everything, he snatched it from my hand, and he's like, you need to move the
right.
I need to go back to my seat. I said, sir, do you have any carry-on luggage with you? I need you to talk outside the aircraft. You're not going to be flying on this flight today. And then he just started going, oh, you're lucky, oh, PD, you're lucky, we can do this right here. You know, being dreadful.
Right.
So I wouldn't budge because I was blocking the walkway to prevent him from going back into the aircraft.
Is that why all the passengers are stacked up there?
Yes, because he refused to move. So he was just...
Did that flight already take off?
Yeah, he pushed back.
Okay.
Yes, sir. And so the captain noticed the commotion, and he opened the door, and he just stood by there. The big guy came, and he was like, it's time for you to step off. And then they just put me aside, you know what I mean? Because I was not being confrontational. I was just not letting him. I was not budging, but I was looking at him. Just letting him speak, you know, quietly. But then when you guys arrived, that's when everything started.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
Yeah. You good, Mom? Alright.
I don't know where that's coming from.
Yeah. Anything. Yep.
Yep.
Someone's got something.
Somebody grab a shoe.
So
It's going to be 16182.
we just gotta go down the elevator here around the corner. Yeah.
Christian Alley.
Excuse me, you guys have my phone?
You what?
You guys have my phone?
I don't know, but we'll check. I'm sure we have everything.
Sorry about that, honestly. I don't know what to think about it.
Yeah, we don't even know.
How is this?
Military 576 with Colin at the information desk on level 6. The reference is white. She's an 83-year-old Asian female in a denim jacket, black jeans, carry a black purse and brown.
Take a seat.
Under 49 United States Code, Section 46,504, A commercial aircraft captain holds federal authority to remove any passenger who poses a threat to flight safety. This authority supersedes state law. Non-compliance is not a civil matter. It is a federal criminal offense. City of Houston versus Hill, 482 U.S., 451, 1,987. The First Amendment protects verbal criticism of law enforcement, including profane and offensive language. Officers must tolerate a higher degree of verbal provocation than ordinary citizens. However, Chaplinsky versus New Hampshire, 315 U.S., 568, 1,942, established the fighting words doctrine. Speech that by its very utterance tends to incite immediate violence loses constitutional protection. A direct physical challenge combined with threatening body language crosses that line. Florida Statute section 784.11 defines assault as an intentional, unlawful threat by word or act to do violence, coupled with apparent ability and a well-founded fear that violence is imminent. Florida Statute section 784.7 elevates this to a first-degree misdemeanor when the victim is a law enforcement officer. Critical threshold. Verbal threats alone may be protected speech. Verbal threats, combined with a bald fist at close range, satisfy all three statutory elements. Graham versus Connor, 489 U.S., 386, 1,989. Force is evaluated from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of decision, not with hindsight. Three factors apply: the severity of the crime, whether the subject posed an immediate threat, and whether the subject was actively resisting. Officers are not required to use the least possible force. They are required to use objectively reasonable force. Florida Statute section 843 prohibits obstructing an officer in the lawful execution of duty. Conditional compliance, meaning compliance only on the subject's own terms, satisfies the obstruction element under Florida courts. United States versus Robinson, 414 U.S., 218, 1,973. A warrantless search incident to a lawful arrest is constitutionally permissible under the Fourth Amendment. An officer who verbally articulates probable cause on camera is not following procedure. That articulation is evidence. Three legal lessons this footage teaches. First, protected speech ends the moment it is paired with physical threat conduct. The combination, not either element alone, determines criminal liability. Second, on-camera articulation of probable cause by an arresting officer directly strengthens the prosecution and weakens any civil rights claim. Third, documented de-escalation attempts are not procedural formality. Under established civil liability standards, they are the primary defense against a Section 1983 federal lawsuit. But the deeper question this footage leaves unanswered is this: when the subject challenged an officer to fight and removed all pretense of verbal protest, was that legally sufficient to constitute fighting words under Chaplinsky? Or does Houston versus Hill still protect him? And if all three charges were properly filed, why does the case outcome remain unknown? What happens when the law is correctly applied, but the system does not follow through? The full analysis continues.